We're going outside for this one. Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I... Stop. Hey friends, it's Cal, and this is our 30-foot Skoolie conversion. My partner and I just spent this past year building out entirely from the ground up. And as crazy as it's been, I am so excited to have you along for the journey because we are finally taking this thing all the way across the country and back. Yeah, you're coming with us. Before we had even left, we broke down, got towed. And that whole maiden voyage situation was absolute chaos. Since then, we've also gotten 2 new kittens, the stomach flu, had a run-in with a beaver or 2, and I am absolutely in shock because we've made our way all the way out to Kentucky for now. You're gonna wanna buckle up. It's gonna be a wild ride to our parking spot tonight. Guys, we did it. We have a sleeping baby to my left. We have a running bus to my right. We just had the best time ever. That was so cool. This is so cool. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 would recommend?
Yes. I met a really sweet family. I got to walk with them almost the entire time. I hung out with her and her grandson. And then some woman kind of overheard me speaking to my new friend. She's like, oh, are you in the cool bus in the parking lot? And I was like, if it's the blue one, then yeah, that's our bus. And she's like, oh my god, that's so cool. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for Blake. And then I also don't know where we're headed tonight. I have no clue where we're going. Hey, I'm back. Also, I can't believe I even forgot about this. I'm looking at them right now. We parked next to another Skoolie, and it happened to be just the sweetest couple ever. And so if you're seeing this, hi, you made our day. Thank you for being so cool. Kitty. Moosey. Mr. Moose. This is Mr. Moose. Say hi, Moosey. I'm the cutest little pig ever. Say hi, Moose. Say I'm Mr. Moose. I'm Mr. Moose. I love you. Also, see that? Zephyr, what did you do to our cabinet? Let me explain. For 3 years, I know better. I've known better. I do better. We don't leave trash out for Z to get into, because if it's out, he will get into it. He's a very smart and curious dog. I don't blame him. But I messed up. I really did. And I left the trash in the trash barrel, under the sink, in a bag, wide open. And so what does Zephyr do? Zephyr nosedived straight into it and broke it. Honestly, I'm impressed. Blake's back. You're back.
I need to make another trip there.
You're back.
I'm back.
Why? We're at what?
Our national park passports.
Also, I totally gotta peel that off. Huh. Ugh. I'm just gonna leave that. That was so cool. I loved that. That's a different building. it makes sense, because worst case we can pull right the f out. I just don't want you to try and do something that...
Can't get in from this way. Does not make sense.
Okay.
I'll slow down, get a picture.
Recording.
Our exit.
I want to clean the windshields tomorrow.
I'm cleaning windshields tonight.
Oh shit. We just discovered, B.
The Cracker Barrel that we're at tonight is in a Walmart parking lot. Right next to a diesel station with low price diesel. Oh! No tractor trailers, we ain't one of those.
Stop! That's my Cooper.
Bye. Dad is gonna scrub all the cicadas off our windshield. He's reached the bug limit. They're coming for him.
Is that any better through the glass?
10 out of 10.
Your wish is my command.
Can you tell them about the glow bugs?
So it was like nighttime, twilight, and I started seeing fireflies, and then one of them, while they were lit, smashed into the windshield and stayed lit. So we had glow-in-the-dark bug guts for 50 miles. Yummy, Bobby! Anyone see my phone?
Oh my god. Alrighty, it looks like we have quite a bit of driving left to do, so I think that leaves us with only one thing left for today. Are you guys ready for the thing? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, maybe leave a little comment down below letting me know how your day has been today. And then lastly, subscribe. That way you know you're always ready for the next adventure. Between the birds, the dogs, and the planes, I'm out. Okay, bye.
Oh, but now like opens up. Check this out. Look at that.